Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I have a die from the September 1st, 2024 release for Scrapdiva Designs. And the one I'm sharing with you today is the Witch Broom Shakers. I believe this die has sold out, but you can pre-order it now to get on the list for the next order that Erica has put in. You don't want to miss this, as this one sold out fast, and you do want to be on the list for when it comes back into stock. It is a fun die to create with and perfect for your Halloween projects. I will have a link to the die in the description box below. It's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything to use, but it does help me and my channel when you do use it, and I appreciate that so very much. You can also use Carol 10 at checkout. So for this die, you get two different style brooms. You get a broom that has a wide part on the bottom and then one that comes to a point. And I love this concept of a die where everything is together so that you don't lose the pieces to your die. And it just makes it so much easier to keep track of. And I know you're going to enjoy this because this will go along with a lot of the other dies that we released in September, especially the jelly bag, the witch shoe jelly bag. It has the word hocus pocus, which can also be put with this. And the Halloween words number 4 have hocus pocus as well. So you'll want to get those also to match this die. So before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So let's go ahead and take a look at the broom shaker. You can see here I did 3 sets of the brooms. So this one is the one with the wide bottom. And on this particular broom, I did put a little black and white checked ribbon. And then I put a rose. And the rose is also from Scrapdiva Design. It's this die right here. I used the small rose petal. And I do have a tutorial on how to make these roses in my videos here. And I thought this was so cute. And I put little clear sequins in the center of the broom. And this is the matching one. This is the broom that is with the pointed bristles. And I did a little rose. And you could see this broom has a little curly handle, which is so cute. Love it. Then I did purple, and the background on this is black with silver. So I put little silver sequins in here, and I had a little silver ghost. These were from Michaels. I know Michaels no longer sells these. That's kind of sad because I used to like all these little embellishments, and I'm getting close to running out of these things. And here it is, that little curled broom handle again, which I just love. And this is the matching one with the wider broom, little ghost, and the little bow. I left this one a little plainer than the others. I really embellished the others with the flowers. So here is the pointed broom with the raven, and I have the rose petal, a leaf, and a little ribbon tied on that one. And here's the wider broom. So cute. I'm getting ready to use these on projects, so you will see that soon, how I use these. But I wanted to share with you what these look like before I put them on some projects. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's see. Let's have a question again today. How many of you have seen the movie Hocus Pocus 1 and 2? How's that? Leave it in the comment section below. I would love to see your answers. It's been fun. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.